Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be harvesting first bucket of carrots, and these are early Nantes, and these are the first lot of carrots that I sown, and just want a few for our tea tonight, so I'm going to take this bucket. Not a good start. A couple of them are forked, but some look alright. Right, so they're not too bad. Out of a 10 litre pot. Right then, so I'm going to go and harvest some of the peas now, and a couple of other bits. Right then guys, so just going to pick some of these peas now. A lot of these are fattening up and ready to be picked. This one's here. These are the Onward peas, and these ones are the Hurst green shaft. There's a few of these ready to be picked as well. Right then guys, so that's them picked. Just thought I'd come in here and probably tunnel out the way of the wind for a bit. But these ones are the Hurst green shaft. They're a lot longer podded pea than the onward, which is a shorter, fatter pod. So some very nice looking peas in there. And the onward, again these are a shorter, fatter pod. That's them. There's quite a difference between them two. So get them weighed up, podded and frozen up, and also picked a few more tomatoes and another cucumber. That's number 6 this week, and a couple more of the small onions, and we've got the salt still drying out in here nicely. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. It's just a really short video on peas. I'm going to be doing another couple of sowings this week sometime, see if we can get another crop in before the winter. Everything is coming along nicely now. Big onion at the back there. He's getting pretty big now. I haven't measured it in a while. Right then guys, so thanks for watching, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.